Allô tout le monde, bienvenue sur la chaîne. Base posée, on parle créole côté gen la beauté et gen contentement en Haïti. Video aujourd'hui c'est un petit. Let me just do this one in English. Okay, so this video is going to be a quick little update on my whereabouts. Okay, I came from Haiti a couple of weeks ago, and I do want to apologize for not coming and, staying up with matters concerning the channel. I've been abandoning the channel because primarily I haven't been feeling well physically and mentally. I'm just a hot mess after seeing what I saw in Haiti and the state that Haiti is in. So physically I've been really not well. I didn't have my voice, and every time I go to record a video it was just a hot mess. I just couldn't do it, so I gave myself time to get well, and now I can say I am well enough. I am well enough physically, but let's see, mentally a lot is going on in my head. A lot of questions are being, arose. It's sort of hard. I didn't think it would be that way, but it really bothers me in the state that Haiti is in. And I know one thing: whenever you have one idea, and if it's really that much thought-provoking, then you can rest assured that there are a million other people thinking about the same idea. And what I see in Haiti, and I'm gonna repeat it again, I'm gonna always say it, no matter what the setting is, no matter what the conditions I am presented with, like, there needs to be a revolution in Haiti, and the time is calling for it now. It will come, and I hope the right group of minded people will set hands for it. And I hope Haiti will be once again liberated to be a sovereign country and to respect all other neighboring countries and distant sovereign lands. Because I don't know, I've just been devastated. I've been, just in agony with myself. After seeing how Haiti is, it's been 11 years, no trace of change, no trace of improvement, no trace of progress.